Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. I hope that I have missed you. Today I am back with a new video and it is a tutorial on how I achieve these locks. As always, I started the hairstyle on clean, neat, freshly washed and conditioned hair. I also blow dry the hair. Usually I don't blow dry my hair, I just stretch them naturally, but this time I did want to use a blow dryer so that I could get my hair nice and stretched. As you have seen in the previous clip, I am using two mirrors. So I have a mirror in front of me that you are seeing right now, and then I have a mirror behind me. So I use those two mirrors, that way I am able to do nice clean parts in the back. Obviously they are not perfectly done, but I try to do my best, and sometimes when I'm not happy with the result, then I have to redo them. As you can see here, I am making sure that I have a nice straight part. Sometimes I have to part multiple times before I am happy with my part. So here I'm pretty much done with the braid. Right now I'm just showing you the pattern, what it looks like. So this is the front and the side, how they look like, and then here is what the back looks like. Obviously it's not perfect. There are some parts that are smaller than the other, but I really did my best and I'm happy with it. Hey, so I finished doing the braids. I have 52 braids, but I have 48 faux locks. So either tomorrow I'm gonna go and buy another pack, an extra pack, or I'm gonna do the remaining braids a different way. I'm not gonna crochet them. I'm gonna do basically two methods and I will show you guys. But anyways, this is what my hair looks like. I'm actually going to work, so this is how I am wearing my hair tonight for work. Yes, I am doing a night shift. So it's looking very nice, very sweet and juicy. So this is the brand that I'm using, Linda Collection. 3 packs of Bohemian locks, 24 inches, and it's color 2. As you can see there, color 2, Linda Collection, and this is the back, what it looks like. So this is me showing you the results, what it looks like halfway through. Actually more than halfway through. I only had like maybe 12 or really just a few braids to do. Here I'm gonna show you exactly what I did. So again, I crochet my lock into my hair. I'm pretty sure you guys know how to crochet by now. And then I weave my braid inside the lock. As you can see, locks are pretty hollow. They have like a space inside of them, and so I take my needle, my crochet needle, and then I weave it through, and then I pick up the braid that I weave through the hole in the crochet lock. This is the method I use for pretty much all of my head. Unfortunately I had 4 braids that I had to do differently because I did not have enough locks. So this is the second method I use. I actually used the same brand, so Linda Collection. They do sell a lot of different type of extensions. So basically I crocheted the hair into my braid, and then I just wrapped it around until I did not have any more hair to wrap. So I'm pretty much done with the video here. I hope that it was interesting, that you learned something new. If you did like it, please don't forget to like, comment, and share, maybe with someone who you might think is interested in knowing how to do crochet locks on themselves. Hey guys, I am done with the hair. This is the final product. This is what it looks like. I will do a 360 for you guys so y'all can see. I hope that the video was interesting, that you learned something new, and I hope that it will inspire you to do the same hairstyle or to reproduce similar hairstyles. It was definitely interesting and challenging for me because I had to use my imagination and my resources. I only had 48 locks, but I had 52 braids, so I had to do something, you know, here and there to make everything work. Unfortunately, the 4 that I did at the front are smaller, you know, and not noticeably different, but I still love the style. I still love it. I love it. Anyways, I hope the video was interesting. I will see you in the next one. Bye.